All right, here we go. This is going to help you work through the worksheet assignment for lesson 6.01, the nervous and musculoskeletal systems. In order to get started, let's get down to the course. This is module 6. And you will see that the Google Forced document is already there for you. You can use that if you choose. You can also complete it just on Buzz. It is up to you. Once I finish this video, the video will also be added here for you to help you out. Make sure that you are going through all of the lesson pages. Make sure that you're watching the videos that are included and taking guided notes. Guided notes are a great way to prepare for exams and make sure that you are learning the information. There are 7 pages here, so make sure you are going through all 7 pages slowly and carefully. You can use the read aloud tool if you would like. Look at these focus questions, make sure that you can answer them. All right, so let's get to the assignment. For this worksheet, you're going to need to work through this simulator and include the information on the worksheet at the same time. This is slightly different than a normal situation for our assignments. It's a little different. And there is a disclaimer on this activity. It's intended to activate your critical thinking and research skills. You are not actually diagnosing medical conditions. That should only be done by a healthcare professional. So because you've gone through the simulator, we want to make sure that you don't feel you are able to diagnose actual medical conditions. Leave that to the professionals who've been doing it for years and have been trained to do so. All right, so what's going to happen is you have, I think it's 3 different patients who are coming to you with different situations, and you need to diagnose those situations from the choices that are given to you, and then come up with 2 possible treatment plans citing where you got that information from. Citing means name of the website, name of a journal or magazine, or some other article that you might have used. So let's get started. Here is patient A, comes into the clinic after having a bike accident. She has severe pain in her left forearm. The pain increases when she moves the arm, and her arm is quite swollen. The x-ray shows an abnormality with the radius bone in the forearm. Based on patient A's history, which diagnosis is most logical? Important, fill the diagnosis in on your activity report. So has this patient suffered nerve damage, a broken or fractured bone, or a muscle sprain? Our symptoms are pain in the arm, swollen, and the x-ray shows an abnormality with that bone. What do you think it is? If you picked a broken or fractured bone, that is the most logical choice. It's not a diagnosis, logical choice. And it says, great job. Yes, this patient does have a broken arm. So come back here into A, diagnosis, type in broken arm. Click OK, and the next slide is going to take you to some more questions. Which of the following systems is affected by that broken arm? Select all that apply. It's not just one. So is the nervous system affected when you have a broken arm? Is the skeletal system? I think we can, yes, if you have a broken bone, the skeletal system is definitely involved. How about the muscular system? Well, nerves transmit pain, and a broken bone is going to cause pain. Those nerves will transmit that pain. The skeletal system, why is it not? There we go. It's making it hard for me to choose. And the muscles are also affected because they're attached to the bone. So all 3 areas are affected. You don't need to record this, but you do need to answer it to move on to the next slide. Use the internet to search for treatments for broken bones. Record possible treatments on your activity report. Make sure that you list the websites you used to create that treatment plan. So that's what you're going to list right here, at least 2 treatments and the websites that you used. That's patient A, and next we should be moving on to patient B. I'm going to let you do the last 2 on your own. I've helped you through number 1, the beginning part at least. Once you've completed all 3 patients, you can turn this in, and that is your worksheet for lesson 6.01. If you have questions, make sure you email me, set up an appointment, or you can leave me a voice message on my telephone, and I will get back to you and help you out. Take care, guys.